Hi guys, GridSentry here with another video. Today's video is going to be short and sweet, as I'm just going to show you a website we can use to check if a particular username is available on the better known social networking sites. So let's get straight into it. The site is knowem.com. I'll put a link in the description, and all we need to do is enter the desired username into this text box here. Click the check it button. Knowem will then display the top 25 most popular social networks here. So if the site we're wanting to check isn't in there, we just need to click this social branding search engine link. As you can see, Knowem will then list the social networking sites it supports by category. So the example we're going to use today is Wikidot, which is in the news category. So if we scroll down to news, and we can see Wikidot there. We're just going to click check this category, and we can see that the username test user is not available on Wikidot. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel for future videos. GridSentry over and out.